Gun crimes in Chicago now are at the forefront of the news and the forefront of our legal system, legal justice system. Prosecutors will not offer you any good deals on gun crimes. Their offers are prison time. Very rare that you will find a way to get your client a reduced plea agreement on a gun case now in Chicago, because we do have a ton of murders, we do have a ton of carjackings right now, and the crime rate with guns is tremendous. I can tell you that I have great success recently with younger clients where it's their first offense, to try to convince the prosecutor to reduce the charges so my client will not have a felony on their record. That is very limited to usually people with absolutely no background, that are either very young or older in life and never had anything. And it's very important to remember that the prosecutor will probably not give me a good deal if the gun was actually used. So somebody is driving a car and they find a gun in the car, and the person had a valid FOID card, but did not have a concealed carry card. I might be able to convince the prosecutor to reduce the case, and so my client will not go to prison. The prosecution here in Chicago is taking a very hard stance on guns, whether it's in state court or in federal court. In fact, if somebody is a repeat gun offender, the feds might pick up his case, and it will be a federal case rather than a state case. My philosophy as to how to attack these cases is not to try to plea my client out, and the prosecutors know that. When they see me on the case, they know that they might have a trial on their hand, and therefore I'm able to sometime negotiate a better deal for my clients. But I also look to see if there's any way for me to suppress the evidence, to file a motion under the Fourth Amendment if it was a traffic stop, if they went to a house without a warrant, in order to win the case outright through a motion pre-trial. And that way I can save my client from being a convicted felon.